There's a reason some cars in America hit 400,000, even 500,000 miles, while others die before 100,000. And no, it's not always because of the brand. A lot of engines fail because owners slowly destroy them without realizing it. Bad habits, cheap parts, ignoring maintenance. I've seen luxury SUVs fail early, while old Ford trucks and Toyota sedans keep running for decades. So today, I'm breaking down 13 real habits that separate high-mileage legends from expensive disasters. And trust me, some of these are probably hurting your car right now.
13. Warming up your car too long. A lot of Americans still idle their car for 10 or 15 minutes before driving. Modern engines don't need that. Long idling wastes fuel and increases engine wear. Start the engine, wait about 30 seconds, then drive gently. That's the fastest way to warm it up properly. 12. Ignoring coolant changes. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it becomes acidic and starts attacking your radiator, water pump, and head gasket from the inside, especially in hot states like Arizona or Texas. A coolant flush every few years can save thousands in repairs. 11. Never cleaning the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor controls your air-fuel mixture. When it gets dirty, fuel economy drops and the engine runs rough. A simple cleaning every 10,000 miles can improve performance fast. And no, brake cleaner is not the same thing. 10. Believing lifetime transmission fluid. This is one of the biggest myths in the car industry. Transmission fluid breaks down from heat and traffic, and America has plenty of both. If you sit in traffic daily or tow heavy loads, your transmission works hard. Changing fluid regularly is way cheaper than replacing the transmission. 9. Buying cheap oil filters. Cheap filters can wreck expensive engines, especially turbocharged ones. Low-quality filters often fail to trap tiny metal particles properly. That dirty oil keeps circulating through the engine. Saving $5 today can cost thousands later. 8. Overfilling the gas tank. Once the gas pump clicks off, stop pumping. Overfilling can damage the evap system and charcoal canister. That tiny extra bit of gas is not worth a repair bill later. 7. Ignoring tire rotations. Uneven tire wear affects more than tires. It stresses suspension parts too. Tie rods, bushings, shocks, all of it. Rotating tires every oil change helps your entire vehicle last longer. And with tire prices today, that matters. 6. Using cheap sensors and electronics. Modern cars depend heavily on sensors. Cheap aftermarket sensors often send bad data to the computer. That causes rough idling, poor MPG, and random warning lights. OEM quality parts usually save money long term. 5. Forgetting computer relearn procedures. Replacing a part isn't always enough anymore. Modern vehicles often need relearn procedures after repairs, especially newer BMWs, Fords, and Nissans. Ignore the reset process, and the car may still run badly, even after fixing it. 4. Letting road salt destroy the undercarriage. If you live in snowy states, road salt is brutal. It destroys frames, brake lines, and suspension mounts. Undercarriage washes during winter can literally add years to your vehicle's life, especially trucks and SUVs. 3. Ignoring fuel injector buildup. Cheap gas and short trips create carbon buildup. That buildup hurts fuel economy and throttle response. Using a quality fuel system cleaner a couple times a year helps modern engines stay cleaner longer, especially direct injection engines. 2. Ignoring small leaks. Tiny leaks become huge repair bills later. Oil leaks become engine damage. Coolant leaks become overheating disasters. Transmission leaks become slipping transmissions. If your car leaks something, handle it early. 1. Waiting too long for oil changes. This is still the biggest engine killer in America. Forget the marketing hype. Oil does not survive forever in real-world driving. Traffic, heat, cold starts, short trips, all of it breaks oil down faster. If you want long-term reliability, consistent oil changes matter more than almost anything else. That's one reason some engines survive hundreds of thousands of miles.
At the end of the day, high-mileage cars usually aren't lucky. They're maintained differently. So now I want to hear from you. What's the highest mileage vehicle you've ever owned? And which brand do you trust most long-term in America right now? Drop it in the comments. and subscribe for more real-world car ownership advice that could save you thousands.